Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how to manage your Connect discoverability on Slack. Maybe you wanted to manage it but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can manage it. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. And then from here, you'll see this U icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. From here, you'll see these preferences. Tap on these preferences, and you will see in here, if you scroll down, you will see in under privacy and visibility, the Slack Connect discoverability. Choose you can see that you use Slack. Tap on it. And then in here, you can choose either people with your email address or no one. For this example, let's say no one. After that, simply go back and that's it. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage Slack Connect discoverability, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage Connect discoverability on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.